the farm trial, I put a hold, a duck hold. Did you
Okay.
look at it?
I haven't seen it.
Did I send it to you?
Today? Not
No,
before today,
a couple
no.
days ago.
I'm supposed to be in charge on Friday and
Stop.
Saturday and
Yeah, I
Sunday.
need you to do Friday too.
Stop.
I don't mind.
Stop.
But I heard you doing all this work. I said, well, does she need me to do anything? I think probably not. You're just doing it on paper.
Stop.
Yeah. It took me weeks
Get
and
back.
weeks and weeks.
Stop. 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 Stop.
Stop him.
Stop.
You've got to be able to get one step at a time out of this dog.
Mad dash.